It adjusts your volume for you. What do you mean?
My old candy blockies.
I think that's your one over here.
Be careful, ladies. That girl might be a girl.
Be careful with this. The rubber, don't break it, okay?
Oh, you know.
Right?
The way you said it.
Sand there, sand there, sand there. Red sandpaper. Rough.
I'm reaching a pants, baby.
Keep an eye on the nut if you see on the floor. Bloody hell. This disappeared. Hey, Joe, what's the story? Is it already in?
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't put it in yet? Release the air. Make sure on my roll. If you put the tube on, hey, make sure no rotation on it. The tire, make sure no rotation. If there is, you gotta follow the right pattern. And the oil, did you oil both sides? Yeah. That's it done. Hey, water. Yeah. Yeah, he's coming up. Oh, is it? Okay. Yep, okay. Water. Don't put water in here, okay?
I think it's soft, man.
This is the last one to sand. And then after that, I think we got bugger all. Those are like the very last. Lucy, have you seen it? What's it in the menu? Have you seen it? The paint job. Did you go in there?
Baby, you got so
I want you to tell me if there's any spots where I missed. Can you come?
Hey, you got so much. I don't give money to homeless people. I'm not homeless. Yeah, like I don't care. Like anyone believes that. See, just a little. Put your end. See.
Good job. What's your second opinion?
You can beg all day and night, and I still won't give it.
Hey, bye. I'm going to do.
Yeah, good enough.
Yeah, what do all you mean?
You don't want to punch at the face.
You have no bite, no one. Yeah, going to all you can do to me. It be all you think.
Yeah, right. That what a person. That what a person would say. If you did, I'll delete your account.
No, I need your account.
You don't know even how to do it.
I'm going to log out your account.
Okay, so I can just log back in. I know my password and you don't.
I'm going to log out your account.
Okay, and I can just log back in.
I'm going to log out your account.
Thank you.
Oh, I need your robot.
You can delete it. Oh yeah, you deleted it? I'll download it back. You're so smart, Althea.
I'm going to you did.
You're literally the smartest person.
I'm going to your talk.
Yeah, right. Like that's gonna do anything.
I'm going to your talk to that boy.
Yeah. That what an idiot would say.
you idiot.
LOL.
Just give me money. You got so much.
No.
I get my money.
You can keep that.
But I get the money, mine.
So what? You don't even play the game.
Yeah, I do. Play the game. You don't. You play the money.
So what?
I can't see you. I'll call each other.
Nobody believes in that.
Call each other.
Simon,
Okay, look. How do I reach?
it's always me and the sun.
I'm going
Yo,
to get
King, I
one.
need your mimic octopus. Yes, I got a boy avatar now because King wants to be a girl.
Ew.
Look, he's a girl. So now I'm a boy. Yeah, I know. Damn. When I got a voice.
Really not good.
Chicken jockey, chicken jockey. Time for chicken jockey. Chicken jockey. Let's go. Summer 5. Damn. Trying to get the Summer 5 mutation. Okay, you're so boring. Sims in there too. Sims. Oh, I'm the murderer. Dang, you just joined. Girl, shut up. There's a bacon will race bait you. The bacon's hacky. Be serious. He knows your mood. Girl, just die.
Come back.
With the whatever I said, the bad words in my voice chat.
You going to get back. When you voice chat, going to get back.
Cool. The dudes gave him a second try.
I hear help.
Yo, what's up?
What are you real? Yeah. They're coming. Ew. 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 I got me a new boat. Ew. I got me a toy. A boat.
I'm gonna leave soon.
No. Did he die?
No,
But who died?
nobody. Both turn into clear fried chicken.
Oh, that's him. Did you try to wall hop? Why do walk up easier?
With ankles.
Did he mow it?
Oh my god.
Did he mow it?
No.
Did he get it? Did he
I don't even know where the sheriff is.
Did he get
The
it or
sheriff
mow it?
wanna be a fraud.
Did he mow it or did it? Did he mow it or did it?